Composer, add halo. The Halo remote control is the latest version of the Control 4 remote control. It's available in two versions, tactile and non-tactile, and in two colors, black and gray. It can be installed on any project running at least OS 3.3.2. Here's what we're going to see in this video. 1. Add a Halo remote. 2. Lock the Halo in a room. 3. Factory reset the Halo. Add a Halo remote. Open the Control 4 application. Click on the three dashes at the top left. At the bottom of this pane, click on Settings. Click on Add a device. Read the instructions and then press Proceed. Scan the QR code on the remote control with your smartphone. Join the SSID of the Halo. Select the room in which to add the Halo. Select the Wi-Fi on which to connect the Halo. Enter the password for the selected SSID. The Halo will now connect to the project. There will probably be an update to complete before you can use this remote control. Lock the Halo in a room. Since version 2.1 of the Halo firmware, it has been possible to lock the remote in a room or group of rooms. In Composer Pro, click on the remote control driver. At the bottom of the settings page, you can choose All Rooms, Room Lock Disabled, Remote Available in all rooms. Default Room, Remote Lock to the room it belongs to in the project. Selected Rooms, select the rooms to which the remote will be locked to, default room is always selected. Factory Reset the Halo. There are two ways of doing a factory reset on a Halo. With access to the controller. Switch on the Halo. Remove the driver from the project. Wait a few seconds, the Halo will restart and will have been reset. Without access to the controller. 1. Switch off the Halo and wait 30 seconds. 2. Press and hold the back button for 10 seconds when the Halo starts up. 3. Wait, the Halo should display the installation QR code. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. You can also find all our products and other tutorials on our website.